we can import space. We can bring space, and space that is not only a space, it's a space that there is a movement in this space. We have space and we have movement. And we have the one that is responsible for this, but is normally not there. The artists don't stand beside the work. And then you come to the picture because you are the one who witnessed this quality as the viewer. So when we understand that, something very, very important and very powerful that we have for years historically in our culture is being deposited. It's being deposited in the hands of, very talented and gifted people that were blessed with, the act of craft and the ability to connect attention, presence, and substance. And this, when I link, among the, when I draw a line between those points, we can address the anatomy of what does it mean present moment? What does it mean to be in the present moment? And when we think about something that got hurt, traumatized, damaged, whatever will be the definition, so these molecules of presence are basically being affected by this, I would say. So my ability to be in the present moment got hurt. I can tell you by myself that because of what certain things that I went through, I'm completely aware of the fact that my ability to stay in the present moment without doing art is being more limited. This became something that I dived into, and I wanted to explore. How can I increase my ability to be in the present moment in its highest, with the highest percentage? And I've realized that when it's the normal day, so it's, out of 100% presence, I will reach 60, 55, 60. I will, my concern from the past and my concern from the future will eat. This is from the right and this, and the molecule of the present moment will be eaten. So I will have reduced, presence in the moment. And I've realized that when you dive into what I've just described before, when you in a very committed way, write as a poet, as a writer. I think we all do the same, just a bit different. But we are basically practicing a radical presence with a focused and with a very, very focused attention. But basically, we are simultaneously practicing few different qualities. Not only this presence, but it's a presence that the center of gravity of this presence is out of my personality. So I'm taking my personality out and I'm practicing the ability to anchor myself in a non-place, in a place that it's not Judith. So the more that you do it, you're able to transmit this energetical, whatever, this information as data into your sculpture, into your drawing. And when you see this in a public space, in an exhibition, it's very beautiful. Normally you don't know the personal story, you don't know the artist, you don't know the writer, you just somehow there is a very intimate meeting, but basically nowhere, in kind of anonymous field. And this anonymous field is crucial. You need to meet me and to feel extremely touched by me when you don't know who I am, when you don't know what is my story. But what I will need to provide you as an artist is the immediate access to your heart, to a very, very deep quality of feelings without knowing anything about it, and to feel extremely touched, but in an anonymous space.